In this video, I want to show you how to teleport in Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is go to our hometown. Then from here, we need to go on the bottom and click onto World. Now, once we're inside World, we can scroll around and just choose a location where you like to teleport. So as you can see, your city's going to be in the center, so just move around to a different spot on the map where you like to teleport. So if I want to come over here, I'm going to click onto this, then I'll say occupied by none. That means I can teleport there. So I'm going to go in and click on teleport, and now it's going to cost you gems. So it's going to cost me 4,000 gems to teleport here. So if you don't have enough gems, just keep playing the game and keep gaining those gems. And also, we cannot teleport outside of our zone. So if I click teleport, it will say you cannot teleport into another alliance. So you've got to be within your zone as well.